All right, today's March 29, 2020. We're at the property at 417 Rene Levy. The repairs to the house has been completed as per list. I'm gonna walk through what we did. We got the roof repaired. There was the on top of there, the ridge cap. We also have some other pieces on the second story. There's a few pieces up there. As well as the starter area. All of this were chipped and missing and damaged. We put dirt, gravel alongside of the property. Plenty of it. The dryer vent. And alongside of the foundation as well. Okay. We also trimmed the grass, so we're able to, well, not the whole grass, but just the area where we're putting the dirt along the foundation. It was very brushy. Once it rains, it's going to settle down a little bit, so that was the ideal point. We also put some alongside the driveway. We put a brand new door, an exterior door, and we painted it as per codes, home association. This door did come with a threshold, new peephole, new trim. Take some pictures. We also painted it. Okay. Window locks. This window was already there. You can see some scotch tape, old scotch tape. So we've got other window locks repaired. Okay. The ceiling fan, we got that repaired. There was exposed wiring. Here we placed the jamb and hardware. The jamb here was bitten, so we got that replaced. We also painted the trim and the door. Jump the lights. That's the minimum. Okay. All the windows got we repaired all the windows and we caulked them. You see the nice bead caulk. All the windows were cracked. Let me try to get this. The locks. Top lock. Alrighty. And the windows do open and slide. We also oiled them. The balusters were rusted. The sliding window as well. We installed a new trolley bar. two locking device on it. We also cleaned the tracks, and you can see the oil. We took the glass apart. We oiled the wheels, and you can see how it closes by itself in my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna lock that. Put this Charlie bar back on. Okay. Here again, we put some new trim, casing, new jam, and a new door. Okay. Here in the washroom, we repaired the jam. We put weather stripping. I used weather stripping because the other one I had was all beat up, and we touched it up. Okay. Okay. The ceiling fan was repaired. The roof, the exterior. Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. Or again, we replaced the jam. The bathroom. All this was bitten. We got new casings. Okay. Got the bathtub caulked. Window. All the locks repaired. Alright, we have 2 screens, so okay, it doesn't open. So let me just fix this carpet. We're sweeping it. Okay. We also did the exterior of the tub. Here's the upstairs bedroom. Here again, we did the jam and trim. So we just got a problem with the tenant hanging that stuff upstairs, but okay. In this closet as well, another jam. So, and this trim here was replaced. Smoke alarm. Son, hit that smoke alarm. I'm sure it works. Okay. Here are the locks. The window slides. They're a little more greased. Alrighty. And all the windows were caulked. Okay. The AC was clean. We got the evaporator coils clean. We got this jam repaired to the bedroom. Can I go inside?
Yeah, you can.
He's asleep?
No, he's awake.
Oh, you have a light?
Yes.
We got this repaired. Jam. Striker plate. The window searching?
Yeah, the windows are caulked.
Okay. It was caulked. The locks too. Okay, this other window too. Okay. All right, sir. We're out of here. Okay. All right. Have a good day. We got other work finished for you. Okay. I think the only person that we need to get is the plumber out here, but he should be calling you. Have a good day. Can we close the door?
Yeah,
Okay. Alrighty. So our work has been completed here. Oh, son, I'll close that blind and put the curtain down because. So yeah, we had quite a bit of work here. All these door jambs and trim, and we hung 2 pre-hung doors, which is the front entry. And was it this one right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this door here. So
Charlie bar.
the Charlie bar. Yeah, I think I already beat it the Charlie bar. Okay.
Close the garage.
Okay. Alrighty. So we're clearing out. And this concludes the job. At 417 Rene Levy. My name is Rick De La Fuente, Texas State Remodeling.